Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. It's been so long since I've sit down and shot. I wasn't well. I think the entire March I was not well, but everything's fine. Just cold and flu and season change and all of that. But it feels so good to sit and talk to you guys. And in today's video, I wanted to show you a travel kit or a travel skincare routine, body care, skincare, hair care routine that I follow and that helps me during my travels. So I will be showing you my kit. I always carry this kit whenever I'm traveling, and I think of myself as a minimalist, which is absolutely not true because I do want to carry less stuff, but I want to carry all of my stuff. So I'm somewhere in the middle of being a minimalist and a maximalist. So let's see इस वीडियो में मैं क्या निकलती हूँ, and without wasting any more time, let's just dive right into it. So this is my kit जो मैंने Amazon से ये बैग लिया था. It comes in a pack of 3. So this is where I carry my skincare, and I also carry my makeup in this. So in case you want to see travel makeup kit, comment down below and let me know. This is a very good bag, translucent है ये, so you can still see your products. इसका handle टूट गया because with makeup and other tools and all बहुत heavy हो गया था bag, so this ripped, but rest of the bag is very helpful. And as you can see, I carry not a lot, ये काफी capacity है इस bag की, and this is still like half filled. So let's start off with the first product. I'm
really sorry if you get any background noise because ये छुट्टी होने वाला time है. I have a school nearby my place, so this is their getting off time, and so there are a lot of cars, बच्चे चल के जाते हैं और सारी noise अभी होनी होती है when I have to shoot a video. Anyways,
to start off the video, I've already washed and shaved my face. This is my freshly shaven face. So I already did the face wash, but I'll show you. Face wash I carry with me. This is by Simple. This is their refreshing facial wash. It's absolutely amazingly gentle face wash. Like अच्छे से lather भी हो जाता है, and you need like the tiniest amount of product, and this is a travel size. So in this video you'll see a lot of travel size products that I carry because मुझे वही अच्छा लगता है rather than carrying big bottles of products, and I mostly buy them by the travel sizes from Smitten app, if you've heard about it. उसमें बहुत अच्छी deals चलती रहती हैं, and I get to try a lot of products before buying, like the big tubs or the big tubes of the original products. So this is one of them. I wanted to try this, and it turned out to be very, very good, very gentle. So I think I'll buy the bigger one for my summers because it is absolutely non-sticky, non-stripping, बहुत ज़्यादा dry नहीं करता है face को. It's the absolute best for traveling. Next जो products है, I'm so excited for them. This is a travel essential kit from Plum in the niacinamide variant. I mean, I already love and adore the niacinamide serum from Plum. It is my absolute staple, and with this pack I got to try their gel creme and their sunscreen. Wait, I'll show you. This comes with a separate box for the serum, and there are these travel size tubes for the cream and the sunscreen, which I absolutely love. I try to avoid actives on my face. Just look at how cute the bottle is. It's the 10% niacinamide serum, which I prefer for myself. It comes with rice water. I mean, I don't have to explain this, how good this product is, and for oily skin, it's a staple. So I'll just take a tiny bit of amount. It's so lightweight and helps control oil, and because अब गर्मी आने वाली है, so definitely it is again going to be my staple. So this is the rice water and niacinamide clear moisture gel creme, and it actually is. इससे पहले the gel one I've tried is from Pond's. That is also a very good one, but उसमें niacinamide नहीं है. This really suits. It has a cooling effect on the skin. So nice. बिल्कुल भी sticky नहीं है. It's very lightweight. I absolutely adore when brands come up with these travel sizes. I think it keeps you loyal to the brand because you kind of look forward to these products I really love. And skincare में तो especially because काफी बड़े and heavy packaging में आती है products. Then comes the Plum Niacinamide sunscreen. This is SPF 50 PA+++, physical chemical sun filters. So it's a chemical sunscreen with 2% niacinamide and rice water. I wanted to try this one, but again मुझे बड़ा package नहीं try करना था. This keeps me sorted. इसका भी like a cream gel formula है. Like this says gel cream, but this is not like cream. This is like proper gel. This is cream gel. इसमें creamish texture भी है and gel का consistency है. So which I really like. Just been so sick the entire March that मैं भूल ही गई थी skincare करना. Like I completely forgot, and the weather kept changing so much, made my situation even worse. Like you can see I'm breaking out here, I'm breaking out here क्योंकि गर्मियाँ आ गई हैं तो oily skin मेरी एकदम परमार पे है. Absolutely love this kit for my travels, my staple again. Move on to lip balm now. This one from Hyphen in the vanilla variant. This is their vitamin infused. This really topped my lip balm list. Like मुझे Dot & Key से भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये. इससे पहले मैं Aqualogica का peach variant लगा रही थी. That was lovely. I think I'll repurchase it. And this is like my current favorite. Amazing. Yeah, it's so hydrating, so smooth. And I have like the chapped lip. You can see. अच्छा इसने hydration दिया है मुझे. And the taste, lovely. This is another SPF that I carry from Faye Beauty. I carried it for the first time in my travel, but I don't think so. This is for oily skin type people in the summers. I tried it in winters. Winters में बहुत अच्छी काम करी है. Summers में मैंने अभी से एक बार try किया था कानपुर में, but the heat, it made me so much oily. So maybe not for the summers. The thing I like to carry is one face mask. कोई भी चलेगा, depending मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ. So I like to carry this one from Everyou. This is their tan removal chocolate and cherry variant body and face mask. I like to carry this in case tanning हो जाए या कुछ हो जाए. This is a very good one for dusky skin tone people because एक ही बार से इसमें effect दिखाई देता है. Like when I'm tanned, I use it just once and काफी tanning fade हो जाती है. So this is a very good option to travel and in case you want to try it. So very good one. In case मैंने makeup पहना हुआ है, to remove that I carry my very trusted Garnier Micellar water with the oil variant. क्योंकि travel में I do carry normal makeup and heavy duty makeup as well. So it's best that I carry the oil infused micellar water. So this is one I carry and उसके साथ मैं ये cleansing pad use करती हूँ. और I do carry cleansing balm. This is again from Plum E-Luminance cleansing balm. ये भी मेरा बहुत favorite है. These two things I carry to take off my makeup. Next we move on to fragrance. And again, I mean ये brand ने इतने अच्छे body mist निकाल रखे हैं कि I simply do not want to try anything else in the market. And if you've guessed it, comment down below and let me know. This is from Plum Body Lovin' Mist in the variant Trippin' Mimosas. Trippin' Mimosa is my ultimate favorite fragrance. This has failed vanilla vibes for me because अब तो वैसे भी गर्मियाँ आ रही हैं, so you need like fruity and fresh and floral scents. This is like one has top notes of grapefruit, big strawberry and passion fruit. Middle notes इसके हैं red berries, peony and vanilla orchid. It has vanilla in it. And base notes are musk, woody and oak moss. Base notes I can't really smell in this, but like I can smell peonies and vanilla orchid and strawberry, grapefruit. I can smell all of that and it's just मैंने इसे सर्दियों में भी लगाया, so ये मेरा इतना favorite है. Although I have vanilla vibes and I do prefer it in the winters, but this fragrance is like अभी I'll show you. I have it in my body wash collection as well. So body care में I carry the shower gel, travel size shower gel of Trippin' Mimosa also. So मेरा इतना favorite है ये fragrance. I mean if you like floral, fruity, very beachy, tropical vibes, you can definitely go for this one. Next, my body care, I've already shown you the shower gel that I carry. This is again from Plum Body Lovin' shower gel in the variant Trippin' Mimosas. So the next things are shampoo and conditioner, and वो मैं carry करती हूँ ऐसी travel bottles में. So these are from Miniso. I showed you in my haul. इसमें body wash है, so I do carry another body wash in case I run out of the छोटू one. So yeah, इसमें मैं body shower carry करती हूँ, and this is for my shampoo, and for conditioner I carry the L'Oreal Excellence. So my husband does his hair color at home. उसके साथ ये free आता है, तो हर बार मैं रख लेती हूँ, and it helps me in my travel. So this is my shampoo and conditioner sorted. For hair serum, I ordered this one from Smitten. This is the Tresemme Gloss Ultimate with Macadamia Oil Ultra Shine Hair Serum. It also has heat protection up to 230 Celsius. I've not tried the heat protection part, but this is a beautiful serum. इतने अच्छे से ये मालूम मेरे बालों को ऐसे डिटेंगल कर देता है. Shine उतनी तो नहीं देता, like it doesn't give ultra shine or ultimate gloss to my hair at least, but yeah, it does एक hair serum का अच्छा काम करता है. ये थोड़ा सा मेरे बालों को वे डाउन करता है, बट ऐसे हाथ में ही लगाती हूँ. Just like to brush it in my hair ताकि उससे evenly spread हो जाए. Thing that I carry in the hair care area is scalp oil, hair scalp oil, because just in case बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो रहे हैं बाल, so I like to carry some sort of oil. It's from Love Beauty and Planet. Their coconut, virgin coconut with aloe vera and yang nourish and repair hair and scalp oil. So ये मैं carry करती हूँ in case weather में humidity हो गई और बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो रहे हैं बाल, so then I try to use oil for my hair. For night cream, I use the Dot & Key Cica moisturizer. This is with again Cica and niacinamide oil-free moisturizer, perfect for my oily skin. This is what I use as my nighttime cream as well, or use the travel size. Very lightweight, very calming on the skin, so I definitely prefer it for the night. It repairs and healthy बनाता है मेरी skin को for the morning, so I definitely love this one. Now my bag is sort of like empty, थोड़ा सा खाली हो गया. अब सिर्फ random चीजें हैं जो I will show you. So I carry a cleansing charcoal nose strip in case थोड़ा सा ऐसे self care करने का मन किया तो. And then I carry a face razor, you know, just in case. Then I carry a small Pond's talcum powder. I know it's a thing. बचपन से आदत है, so I carry a small variant. And then I carry band-aids. These are very important to me. Then I carry a pack of safety pins, small buttons, just in case जरूरत पड़े. All of these things you require. जब कुछ हो जाता है, then you require these. So I always carry these. Then I carry Q-tips because, you know, whenever you mess up your makeup or you want to clean your hair. Last is something for my feet. We carry Plum Body Lovin' foot cream in the variant Coffee Cappuccino. This is very good. काफी अच्छा moisturize करता है ये, and smells nice also. So this is the last thing I carry in my bag. And with this, मेरा bag खाली हो चुका है, and these are the legit products that I carry while I'm traveling. And in case you also carry these छोटू वाले products, do let me know in the comment section. Also, if you want to see a makeup version of the travel edition, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you like the vibe of my videos, do consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next. Bye bye.